I may not look like a tough guy, but don't let that fool you. I have made millions and millions of men and women cry. Oh, you don't believe me? Well, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Michael LaFrance. I am an event filmmaker, and I am the man behind this video viral moment.
I wanted to introduce our bride and father dance. As you all may or may not know and or have noticed this evening, we're missing someone pretty important this evening that would be obviously here for the dance with his little girl.
To date, the video has been viewed over 30 million times and has received over 4,000 comments. And that's why I'm here today. To dig deep into the comment section and discover the good, the bad, and the straight up weird. After all, it's YouTube. You never know what trolls might be lurking. First, let me give you some background on the video. In case you're one of the many that hasn't seen it yet, that's okay. It takes place at a wedding reception. The bride's brother, Nick, got on the microphone and announced to the entire reception, in front of all the people there, that there's someone here that should be here, but unfortunately is not. Nick was referring to his father. His father, who was also the bride's father as well, because they're brother and sister, passed away a few months before the wedding day. He announced that he didn't want to let this moment pass. It was a special moment, and he wanted to record the song Butterfly Kisses so that Andrea, the bride, could dance with all the special men in her life. He added, "I recorded the song Butterfly Kisses in honor of our father."
So I sang the song for Andrea and for Dad. So I just want to introduce that real quickly before before a number of us dance with Andrea for the song.
This was a very emotional moment. The bride's reaction was just, I can't even put into words what it was. You can see for yourself. After that, the tears started falling. And one after another, the special men in the bride's life came up to the dance floor. It was a very touching moment, not a dry eye in the house. So that's the story behind the video. So now let's get back into the comments. Let's find out what was the bad, the good, and the weird. Let's start off with the bad. Right off the bat, we start off with a bunch of fakes. Fake, 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 so fake. Fake, bad acting, no tears. Nice video, staged though, isn't it obvious? So fake, laugh out loud, it's an advertisement. I don't know why, but it seems fake to me. Yeah, but the acting's pretty bad though. This couple was never verified. The story is fake. It's called advertising. You pay to get videos like this spread. I'm sick of fake viral vids. Fake, as there seems to be too many camera angles. Don't you people realize these are actors and they're on a professional lit set with audio dubbed in, post-production cutouts, and B-list actors? These are actors here to generate money through manipulating your gullible emotions. 99% of people are dumb. And that's why 1% get away with what they're doing. Wake up, you dumb. This is so fake. This is all green screened. Everyone watching this is a sucker. Her brother didn't need to record the song himself. They could have played the original. He just wanted to promote his own singing career and cynically use his dad's death, sister's wedding, as a vehicle to promote himself. Sometimes a dislike button shouldn't be allowed. Such a special video. Finally, we're getting to some common sense in these comments. Everyone saying this is green screen is a f***ing idiot. There are people crying in the background and staring exactly at the dancers. Not to mention the women who get out of their chairs to give the girl a tissue. And as many people have mentioned already, of course, people have HD wedding videos. Many commenters clearly haven't been to a wedding recently. People fork out loads of dollars for expensive wedding videos. It's not a big deal for many. If this was my video, I would disable the comments. Too many idiots voicing their most ignorant opinions I've ever read. God bless Andrea and her family. Most of these comments were very personal and emotional, like this one. Justin left one of my favorite comments. He wrote, "I decided to quit smoking after watching this video. I don't want to let my daughter down. I want to be at her wedding. I want to be alive to see my grandchildren." I know my comment is a random one, but I love her so much, and I will do anything in this world to be with her till she grows old. In my culture, we say the first love of a girl is her dad, and no one on earth can kill it. As a grown man, I'm not sure I've cried that hard in a long time. I need to go punch a wall while smoking a cigar and drinking whiskey to get my man card back. Someone started cutting too many onions. One interesting comment stood out from commenter Saliva Cocktail. They pointed out that a lot of men felt uncomfortable crying and feeling emotional about the video. Check this out. It really bothers me to see comments by men being ashamed that they are crying over this video. You should be proud you're not a sociopath, and you can empathize with tragic loss of others. I'm tired of men thinking it's unmanly to have emotion. That stigma really needs to disappear. This video, you could just read through the comments and understand that everyone can relate to someone that's not there for them on a very special moment, a special day, whether they're sick or they just can't make it, whatever the circumstances are. People can relate to that loss, and I feel like it touched the chord. That's why I wanted to share these comments with you. I wanted to share them with you so you could see what other people are seeing and show that how event videography or event filmmaking is valuable. I believe it's more than just content. I believe it's valuable treasure, almost like a photograph from an old album. Maybe in the future, like Ancestry.com, instead of looking old documents, we'll be looking up old video archives. So I want to encourage other event filmmakers that what you're doing is not just showing up, setting up cameras. You are, but you're there to document, tape, and capture these beautiful moments that will be preserved. And maybe I'm sounding crazy here, but I believe it to be true just by the fact that this video alone, over 30 million views. And when you read all these comments, people want to quit smoking, or people can relate to not having someone there, or how much this means to them. It means a lot. It means a lot to me, and I just wanted to share this moment with you guys because how much it's impacted myself, and hopefully it can impact you knowing that you're doing some really great stuff out there as an event filmmaker. So there you have it, the good, the bad, the weird, all these comments. I love it. I love it that people reached out, left messages, whether they were off the wall green screen, or they're some sort of way of kickstarting his music career, or I don't know. It's just nuts. It's the internet. You got to take it with a grain of salt, right? So if you're interested in finding out more about what I do as an event filmmaker, I have more than 15 years of experience filming everything from weddings, conferences, nonprofit events. I would love to share all that information with you. I'm looking to put out more video content like that in the next coming months. Please like and subscribe, and let's continue this dialogue. I want to help you along your journey as you become an event filmmaker and you reach out and capture moments like these, because that's really what it's all about. Until then, next time, I'm Michael LaFrance. See you then.